Hello and welcome to my channel. Do you have an Android phone and you would like to connect a microphone to it, but you can't because you don't have that plug onto your phone? Well, stay tuned. I'm showing to you how to do it. What does happen when we want to connect a microphone onto our mobile phone is that we simply don't have a plug where to connect it. We only have the port to charge it. And when we look at some of the microphones that are on the market at the moment, we've got that type of plug. So obviously we need an adapter, and highly likely you bought one and it doesn't work. You can't have the sound. So I will explain to you why. These plugs, although they appear to be the same, there are in fact three types of these plugs. The first one is the TS. The second one is the TRS, that's the most common, like this one. And the last one is the TRRS. So what are the difference? So the most common that you will find if you look on Amazon or the places, and obviously they won't say anything, will be the TS. This one is only to record mono, it will not be stereo. Now the very common one is this one, the TRS. This one will take the sound in stereo. The last one, the TRRS, will take the sound in stereo and as well microphone. So if you have bought one of those adapters on Amazon, for instance, and it doesn't work, it's because highly likely you have purchased a TS model and obviously it will not work. I will explain to you the three different plugs. The first one, don't buy it. The TS, if you buy it, it will fail. The microphone won't work. What you will be interested to the TRS and the TRRS. So what's the difference between the two? Well, to put it in simple way, the TRS goes one way. The TRRS goes both ways. So it goes to, for instance, to a device and come back. For instance, if you've got something to listen to music and you got a microphone, basically you'll be able to hear things. So it'll come to you, and speaking, it'll go that way as well. So that will be the TRRS. Now, if you've got only a microphone, for instance, it will go onto the device and a TRS will be just fine. Okay, so that's why don't worry too much about this. Just buy the TRS and you will be okay. Now it depends of the microphone you want to buy. If it's something that you will wear, for instance, and you will have to speak at the same time, you will need a TRRS. Okay, so I hope that you've got this clear. Once you've got your cable and it's connected, I will highly recommend you to download the app that's called Open Camera. I will open it here. Okay. Why this camera? It's because you've got the option to select on the app where the sound is coming from. Okay. So you can select microphone. So like that, it won't pick, for instance, from both, from here and the microphone. Okay. As well, that app has got a face tracking. So for instance, if you have to move the camera back, forth, etc., it will always focus on you, which is very good. Okay. We're now gonna make a test. I will connect a microphone onto the telephone. The sound that you hear right now is the sound of the telephone, and I'm gonna connect the micro now. And let's see how it goes. I hope that you can hear the difference. Well, that's it. I hope that video has been useful to you. I hope this will solve your problem. And until then, take care of yourself. Ciao.